Today we're going to be trying Henna for the lips. So, first things first. Oh, by Margarita. Of course, Margarita is the one that is sponsoring this video. You're going to put Vaseline around your lips. I'm going to take something small and wipe it off my lips. We're going to cut the little tip. Ooh, okay, one side done. That's what the Vaseline is for. There we go. We're back on track. Sorry. Pretty cute. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And then now we just fill it in. Okay, I'm gonna go to right about where my teeth line is. And the teeth line. Damn, this takes a lot of precision. I think we're good. Beautiful. Okay, everybody. So I think we got enough on there, and do a little line on the top right here. Okay. I think we got enough on there. So we will come back in an hour and wipe it off and see what it looks like. We'll be back. Okay, it's been 45 minutes, but it started coming off because of I'm a yapper. But let's see. Ooh, it looks so pretty. And this is after 45 minutes. That's it. 45 minutes in. Look at these. You can't tell me they're not cute. It literally looks like I got my lips like lip blushed or something. I love it. Thank you, Margarita.